When people shop for SUVs, they chase badges, screens, and hype. They assume expensive means durable and new means reliable. But after years in repair bays and auction yards, you start seeing the truth most buyers miss. The SUVs that actually last forever are rarely the ones dominating commercials or dealer showrooms. They're the overlooked workhorses, the ones quietly racking up 300,000 miles while everyone else is trading in their modern SUVs with warning lights already glowing. Today's list is not about luxury, speed, or status. This is about affordable SUVs that refuse to quit. Vehicles built before overcomplicated electronics took over. SUVs with engines that tolerate neglect, transmissions that don't self-destruct, and drivetrains designed to survive bad roads, bad fuel, and bad decisions. Most of these models are ignored because they're boring, old school, or not trendy enough. That's exactly why they last. And if you're smart enough to recognize real value, these SUVs can save you tens of thousands over the long run. Watch till the end, because the final SUV on this list is one of the most underestimated long-life vehicles ever made, and mechanics know it. Number 1. Toyota Highlander, 2008-2013. The second-generation Toyota Highlander is one of the most quietly reliable midsize SUVs ever built. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated V6 is known for exceptional longevity, often crossing 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. The automatic transmission in this era is far more durable than newer designs, and the AWD system is simple and robust. What makes the Highlander special is balance. It's not overbuilt like a truck, but it's not fragile like many modern crossovers. Suspension components last, electronics remain stable, and interior wear is minimal even after years of family use. Because it lacks flashy styling and aggressive marketing, many buyers overlook it. Mechanics don't. They see how rarely these come in for major failures. That's why long-term owners keep them for decades. Number 2. Honda CR-V, 2010-2014. This generation of the Honda CR-V represents peak Honda reliability. The naturally aspirated 2.4-liter engine is nearly impossible to kill when serviced properly. Timing chain instead of belt, conservative tuning, and excellent cooling design all contribute to its longevity. The transmission is smooth and durable, and the AWD system is low stress and reliable. These CR-Vs regularly exceed 250,000 off without engine or transmission rebuilds. They're overlooked because they're not exciting. No turbo, no performance claims, no luxury branding. But that simplicity is exactly why they last. Mechanics often describe them as maintenance-only vehicles, meaning oil, brakes, and tires, nothing more. That's real reliability. Number 3. Lexus RX 350, 2007-2012. The Lexus RX 350 is what happens when Toyota reliability meets luxury-grade quality control. The V6 engine in this SUV is one of the most durable power plants Lexus ever produced. It runs quietly, resists oil consumption issues, and tolerates high mileage exceptionally well. The transmission is smooth and long-lasting, and the suspension is tuned for longevity rather than sportiness. Many RX 350s surpass 350,000 miles while still driving comfortably. Because it's seen as an older luxury SUV, prices remain surprisingly affordable, yet the build quality is far superior to many newer vehicles. Mechanics respect these because serious breakdowns are rare. It's an SUV built for people who value longevity over image. Number 4. Toyota RAV4, 2011-2015. Non-turbo RAV4 from this era is one of Toyota's most durable compact SUVs. The engine design is conservative, proven, and resistant to overheating or internal wear. These vehicles are known for surviving abuse, missed oil changes, rough roads, and heavy daily use. The transmission is simple and durable, and the suspension components last far longer than average. Many owners report 300,000 miles with no major drivetrain failures. Because newer RAV4s focus more on tech and efficiency, this older generation gets ignored. But mechanics know it represents the last of Toyota's truly overbuilt compact SUVs. Number 5. Subaru Forester, 2014-2018. Non-turbo. When you remove the turbo, the Subaru Forester becomes a longevity machine. The naturally aspirated boxer engine in this generation is far more reliable than earlier Subaru designs, especially when maintained properly. The AWD system is one of the most durable in the industry, making it ideal for bad weather and rough terrain. These Foresters handle high mileage better than most compact SUVs, and owners regularly exceed 250,000 miles. Because Subarus carry an unfair reputation based on older models, many buyers overlook these later Foresters, which keeps prices low. Mechanics know the truth. Non-turbo Foresters are built to last. Number 6. Toyota 4Runner, 2006-2013. This is not just an SUV, it's a survival tool. The The Toyota 4Runner from this era uses body-on-frame construction, a legendary V6 engine, and one of the strongest drivetrains Toyota has ever produced. These vehicles regularly cross 400,000 miles with original engines and transmissions. They handle towing, off-roading, and daily driving without complaint. Yes, fuel economy isn't great, but longevity is unmatched. Many buyers overlook them due to age or outdated interiors, but mechanics consider them nearly indestructible. If lasting forever is your goal, few SUVs even come close. Number 7. Mazda CX-5, 2013-2016. Mazda doesn't get enough credit for reliability, and the early CX-5 proves why it should. The Skyactiv engine is engineered for efficiency and durability, with fewer failure points than turbocharged rivals. Transmissions are reliable, electronics are minimal, and overall build quality is excellent. These SUVs age gracefully, with fewer suspension and drivetrain issues than many competitors. Because Mazda lacks the brand hype of Toyota or Honda, the CX-5 is often overlooked, yet mechanics see how rarely they suffer major failures. It's one of the best long-term value SUVs of the last decade. Number 8. Honda Pilot, 2009-2015. The Honda Pilot is a family hauler that quietly earns its reputation over time. The V6 engine is robust, capable of high mileage, and well-suited for long highway use. The AWD system is dependable, and the chassis is built for durability rather than sportiness. While newer Pilots focus on tech and complexity, this generation keeps things simple, and that's why it lasts. Many Pilots exceed 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Because of its size and mom SUV image, buyers often ignore it. Mechanics don't. They know it's built for endurance. Number 9. Lexus GX 460, 2010-2014. Often overlooked due to its luxury badge, the GX 460 is actually a Land Cruiser in disguise. It shares a body-on-frame design, a powerful and durable V8, and an extremely robust drivetrain. These SUVs are engineered for extreme conditions and long service life. It's not uncommon to see GX models surpass 400,000 miles globally. Because people fear luxury repair costs, used prices stay reasonable, but reliability is exceptional. Mechanics respect these vehicles because they rarely fail mechanically. If longevity is your priority, the GX 460 is a hidden tank. Number 10. Toyota Sequoia, 2008-2014. The Toyota Sequoia is one of the most overlooked long-lasting SUVs on the road. Built on a truck platform with a massive V8 engine, it's designed for towing, hauling, and surviving abuse. These engines are known to cross 500,000 miles with proper care. The transmission is equally durable, and the suspension is heavy-duty. Yes, it's large and thirsty, but it's also nearly indestructible. Because buyers avoid big SUVs, Sequoias remain affordable on the used market. Mechanics see them as one of Toyota's most durable creations, a true long-term investment. These SUVs don't trend, they don't impress on paper, and they don't rely on marketing hype. What they do is last, year after year, mile after mile, long after newer SUVs have been scrapped or traded in out of frustration. If you're buying with your brain instead of your ego, this list gives you an unfair advantage. These are the vehicles that reward patience, maintenance, and smart ownership. The kind of SUVs mechanics quietly respect because they almost never break. If this video helped you see value differently, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected. More importantly, remember this: the best SUV isn't the newest one on the lot. It's the one still running strong when everyone else is shopping again. Drive less stressed, buy smarter, and choose longevity over hype.